Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Floatplane account. Follow these steps to enable 2FA and protect your account. Step 1. Log into your Floatplane account. Visit the Floatplane website and log in using your username and password. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the profile menu, often represented by your profile picture or an icon in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Find security settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their account. Use Ezrock to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Locate the option for two-factor authentication and click on it. You may be prompted to enter your password again for verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to enable 2FA, which may involve linking an authentication app or receiving codes via SMS. Step 5. Save changes and tests. After enabling 2FA, make sure to save your changes. It is a good idea to log out and then log back in to test that the two-factor authentication is working correctly. You should be prompted for a verification code during the login process. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Floatplane account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure and updated.